asibingelele ubingelelayo ngoba udokotela ubaba uSizwe ojabulele umfana omuhle ngathi khehla lo mlungu lona ubani umzukulu kaMancike sakhisule futhi angixolisa bakithi namhlanje ubaba udokotela uyashutha useBuilding eNedbank House Building sisekhona Queen City and Albert Street ilapho uzosithola khona namhlanje kule topic that says orthodox medicine cabanga ukuthi kuthiwa ukuhluka kancane into enhle ngale channel ithi into asikhulumi into esike sayizwa kwenye channel not at all because ifuna ukukufeeda nge-information that you're hungry for more because the data it is so large. There's a lot to learn kule channel. There's a lot to learn kule channel as much as you want to learn. Ake ngikhulume nenyanga. Uyawazi umuthi esubiza ukuthi umthathe. Lo muthi uthi umthathe muhle kakhulu kwi-furniture, wenze furniture, wenze into eziningi. Mningi kakhulu eChina beza ngayi-furniture. Sina ke so sensor for medical illusion, means white illusion, mesakhe izinto zomlingo. Then ake siqaleke. Ngifuna uthathe lela xolo lelana lomthathe. Umuse uyobheka indawo evamise ukuhamba abantu nje kakhulu mhlawumbe mebeya bothenga esitolo kodwa nje indawo nje nayo kuba busy ekakhulu azithi kume kune tavern right ke lo ndawo le noma i-night club but ufuna uzoyibeka la bazoyeqa khona lento le uthathe le xolo lelo umuse ugcoba amafutha enhlwathi umuse ugcoba amafutha engwe umuse ugcoba amafutha ebhubisi lana wakha into yokuthwebula ufuna ukuthwebula izithunzi zabantu zikusebenzele then uzoyigcoba ke lento uyigcoba umse uyahamba kuyoyibeka lapha na ke bazoyeqa labantu uma kodwa kuukuthi leli xolo leli ubunga uthola umkhondweni khohlwa ulibhanqa libe nomkhondweni konke kuhlangana ukugcoba kwabo futhi umuso ukubophe ngewule eminyama uphinde ukubophe ngewule ebovu uphinde ukubophe ngewule ehlaza lesithi green not blue green umuso ukubeka lapha ebusuku bakweqa abantu bakweqa muso uya intatha kusa sebenqamukile muso ufike uyithatha le nto lena uma uyithatha umuso ushiya imali emhlophe uthi madoda ahlala endleleni ngizothatha labantu laba enibabeke kulo muthi ngifuna labantu bangisebenzele ngifuna bangenzele ukuthi umthwebulo lona sisiwakhaya angifuni ugqibe ngifuna bayeqe live yabona ke lento uma usuyakhile uthola lona umalivungu uthole uthola umalivungu musu uthola umnukulumbe uyigayile mithi musu uyifaka lapha phakathi umusu uthola isikhumba semfene ushise sibe insizi musu sifaka lapha phakathi hayi usebenzile lapho kehle usebenzile yebo salwazi usebenze kakhulu uzoyithatha lento le madoda yabona mase kuthiwa kuyasetshenzwa uyoyigala into ibe impuphu uma usuyifaka umuthi ekuthiwa ugoba amakhosi ewumkhando ingoma amakhosi ewumkhando ibe ibofu ifaka ingabi strong yithi nje utshontshe kanje musu uyithatha lento le uyijijela kancane uzamlandela umusu umnike lo muntu lo awunama option awu2 ukuya emfuleni okha amanzi omfula ohamba yafika geze khona ukuya olwandle ekseni bengakabhukuda abantu afika geze akhe amanzi angangeni phakathi afika geze khona kodwa kumeze olwandle aphathe ubisi azofika liqhumisele lonke la phakathi kulo muthi akhe lapha mase faka ubisi ageze lo muntu ageza khulume ngemali khuluma hayi khehla lami ngabatshela abantu ukuthi lethu siyazenza nawe lezi zinto lezi bakithi madoda lana suke inyanga isuke kufaka komunye umkhakha as long as uzothola umnukulumbe ukhona egoli umnukulumbe bayawuphatha amashangana egoli uthola umnukulumbe uthi ukhona umalivunge bayawuphatha umalivungo kahle ngeke imithi uma ukuthi inyanga iyafuna ukwakhela kahle iyajula nje kakhulu imithi siyakwakhela mase siyakwakhela yindaba kufuneka isikhumba semfene uphunyuka bemphethe loyana imfene mengingathatha 100,000 ngubeke phansi bese ngithi ngenani endlini nibe u10 ningibambe lona nilethela iphila ngeke niyibambe mfene ikhonde ngeke libambe amasenda ngahlala phansi manje dabla amathumbu waphathe ngesandla kanje phuma ihambe mfene phunyuka bemphethe loyana iphunyuka usuyibambile iyaluma yaqwebha yenza yonke into iyaluma yaqwebha yonke into imfene uphunyuka nje ukuthi uphunyuka phethe ngifuna mina mekuthiwa kusenzeki mase kuyenzeka ngenkani mase siyenzeka ngenkani ke lento le ngisho ukuthi inyanga zami ake niyenzele abantu lento sibone ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani uyabona phethe umshini okushefela yabo ngifuna ukushefa nje kanje yabo ushefe mase lekhanda uhambise kanje lekhanda ngifuna inwele zasokhakhayini zalana uma uyindoda khiphe zonke lenwele zimise ziba musu uthatha iphepha uqonqothe kahle lento uqonqothe musu uyiqonqothile lenwele musu uthatha nanti igobolondo lomnenke yalbo igobolondo lomnenke thathe lenwele zakho uzifake la phakathi ayongilalela wena thathe lenwele uzifake la phakathi uthatha 1 rand ufake la phakathi lana suke sakhela umuntu othi baba dokotela akusenzeki sengenza noma yini uthi angenze mase uthatha iphepha nepeni elimnyama umusu ubhala igama lakho ubhala nesibongo umusu ubhala iintention ukuthi yini oyicelayo umusu yaligoqa lephepha umusu usulifaka la phakathi futhi mase kunomuthi ke engizokunika wona oyigaqe kangelekinato ufuna ufake lapho uyofika lapha egcineni umusu uthatha irice ufake irice la uliphushe irice lize lizothinta kulomuthi lo mase ulevele kahle irice ulibeke lento lekhehla lana wena usho ukuthi uyifunayo wena usho lama shells lawa nyanka lama shells mina ngikuthumelela lento u1 rand ngikuthumeleli bese ngifaka umuthi lo muthi mina ngizobe sengiwufakile la phakathi kunomuthi ofuna ngiwufake la phakathi ngizowuphonsa la phakathi lo muthi wena ufike wenze lento le esithi yenze lana khehla suke sitha unawo yini u3500 umuthi nami sithi hayi sizokwenzela kodwa kuwena ngizothumela lento mina nemithi yakhona lento ukhuluma nayo once a week phela khuluma nayo once a week kuphela lento bengiyilindile umuntu okufuza ayithole ubaba uMajola oyisosha ulawo phongolo ufuna ayithole ngoba imithi yakhona kwathi bese ngiza la kwafuza ukuthi ngiyishiye emalawo mase sebeya iposa ke then ngayiposela elilonke ifakwe ikhore uthi sengilanda ikhore ngibisambela kancane usukhona kumuthi ke manje ke hayi mase ngonika nenye inyanga engaphezulu lende uzoyinika kade ngikhuluma nenye inyanga seMpumalanga province ngigabisa ukuthi kodwa baba dokotela lo muthi wakho ungakanani ngathi mina khululeka ukhona ngizoyinika futhi nayo kodwa ngoline omhlophe phela hayi noma umuphi line umhlophe line ngizoyinika futhi nayo bakithi sikuprovile ke lokuthi umayeme kubantu ayosona isithwalo umayime mesikhipha umayime ngisenebhodlela la khona nanti lebhodlela leli. This is very important. I cannot say something else. This is very lebhodlela uma uzongena esitolo endaweni enemali lebhodlela leli ufuna ulisebenzise utshele ukuthi siyangena la ndoda sizofuna induku ukuthi ungena ebank yonke indawo enemali uyayitshela le ndoda leni uye emsebenzini uyayitshela le ndoda uma ukuthi uyokhuluma into omsangano itshele le ndoda le ayikho into engizokwenzela yona umayime ke sokukhipha kumuntu omini no 5700 bese siyamnika kumuntu ke bese siyamnika kumuntu lezi zinto lezi ufuna selokhu sezi neutralizer ukuthi azizona izithwalo ngoba yonke into siyaba isithwalo kunina kunento esafuneka siyikhulume lana lento isiyenza ukuthi abantu abaningi bamile impiko bengakwazi ukundisa. I repeat, kunento efuna siyikhulume la because a lot of people have grown wings but they cannot fly. To be a breadwinner at home, it does not make you the owner of the house. You are just a child that is working and you are supporting the family. For the fact that when we are sebenza ndodana, it does not make you the father in this house. I'm still the father. You'll submit to my demands as a father. Regardless that I'm poor, you are working. Uzalwa yimina. Weak as lamb. You'll always respect me because weak as lamb. Engisho ukuthi abantu abaningi sebebona ukuthi bona bangama breadwinner emakhaya. Lento breadwinner mase beyibehave nasemsebenzini asinandaba nokuthi ubreadwinner thina kini sizokwenza lento ufuna ukwenza yona thina alento umuntu ayibehave nasetaxini ukuthi etaxini sathi ngaba na excuse mengena yena asinandaba thona ukuthi ubreadwinner kini kodwa le taxini uzohlala nathi ngale ndlela esihlala ngayo kuphela ngoba ezinye izinto eziwenza ukuthi ube ibreadwinner ukuthi idlozi likuthembile ngalomsebenzi lekunike wona ngoba belibona inkinga bezisekhaya ukuthi singamthemba lo mntwana kodwa manje yena usegqoka isigqoko sobukhosi ebekhona ubaba ebhajwe enhlabathini mhlambe kodwa uyingane yale ekhaya ngakho ndifuna lento uyiphile uyazi ukuthi being a breadwinner does not make you the house owner, does not make you a house owner ngoba lento uma ukuthi thina asikhulume izohlupha ngoba sinabantu abafuna ukugibela emakhanda bonke abantu as if bondla thina bondla imndeni yabo enye into engizoyisho nezokuphatha kambe ile awungisize verse ufuna ukutshela lento yakho ukuthi uyasabatha imithetho yakashembe wena uyayigcina la ekhaya nje akuphekwa umgqibelo it does not make you iNazaretha ukusabatha kwakho it does not make you iNazaretha iNazaretha aligcini ngokusabatha ligcina yonke imiyalelo yobuNazaretha alikho iNazaretha lendoda elingakhokhi u23 alikho iNazaretha lendoda elingabhabhadiswanga alikho iNazaretha lendoda engayikhethanga inkosi enkulu yasekuphakameni alikho zonke lezi zinto wena uqualify futhi awuzenzanga but uassume ukuthi wena ngoba uyasabatha ushembe khona into azokwenzela ingeke azakwenzela into because imithetho yakhona not even one ocomplya kuwona ngosuku lokuphela bekubheka igama lakho ku23 ebhuku la 23 alikho igama lakho that does not make you to iNazaretha wena lento oyenzayo uyazichithela izungu unqena ukwenza izinto consider ukuthi isabatha namhlanje angithinta ukuthi awulona iNazaretha awubonakala njengeNazaretha awunama ama benefit are reserved kwelamathongo are reserved abantu abanikela impilo yabo emhlabeni ukuthi balandele ushembe awunkazi ungenisa umdedelo wena awukazi uyovala umhlangano wena lezi zinto wena awukazi uzenze those are the things ezenziwa abantu abasobe ngamaNazaretha engisho ukuthi lezi zinto lezi sinabantu ngempela abaphusha ienvelope to the age knowing very well ukuthi lenda bayona umuntu uyamfica athi angithinti lutho phela ngoba ugogo wayeyiNazaretha la wala ekhaya sihlonipha yena ugogo wakhe akayena uNkulunkulu into ezokwenzeka ngomsuku lokuphela ngeke umbone kwagogo wakho loyo ngeke umbone gogo wakho lo ngoba wena uyoya la usebenzela khona kule gubho zakhe uyoya kuzona kule sinoko yokudlala wazoya kusona ngeke ngoba kuthiwa nowusabatha but imithetho yonke ashembe ubungawenzi bungayi 23 wena awulona ke Nazareth and ama benefit that are reserved for Nazareth got 0.0 nothing and before the eyes of ushemba uyilutho because imali ka23 yasungulelwa ukondla inkosi wena ukaze uyondle inkosi inkosi ayikaze izidli ithuthu zakho kalondlela you are nothing ufana nomuntu ongavote before the eyes of the politician you are a traitor we are nothing ngoba uvote vote is what makes a politician to be in parliament when umuntu uvote ufana nomdayisi nakhona ke la kwaShembe ufana nomuntu omdayisi ozothi wena awugqoki ngobumhlophe oyikhitha inkosi esekuphameni and futhi u23 awukhokhi and assume ukuthi wena zonke into ezingama benefits zakaShembe zizokwenzeka ngoba wena ekhaya kwakho awubasa umlilo ngomgqibelo awusafuna ukuthi umgqibelo usuthi yisabathi akwenzi iNazareth lokho into efanayo ke nawe njoba uthi wena unekhadi lasebank ukuba nekhadi lasebank akusho ukuthi imali yasebank yakho ukuba nekhadi lasebank akusho ukuthi imali yasebank yakho imali yasebank akuyona yakho eyakho ile oyifakile wayikhipha futhi usele nekhadi lasebank lezi zinto lezi abantu bazofuna ukuthi bakhuliswe kuzona so that bazos understand ngoba is affectile lento ngokuona nje ikhadi lasebank usu-ona imali yasebank it does not work like that angisho ukuthi ngiyakuthanda kase ngathi uyangi-owna awungi-owni awenzanga iphutha ngokuthi uthi uyangithanda mina sengiyaku-owna angiku-owni wena uthanda mina ngithanda wena period akekho owna omunye kuthina when you die on your own uma ne-BP wena uzodla amaphilisi mina ngeke ngiwadle because I don't own you you are nothing to me when it comes to physiologically thina seku-intimacy level siyathandana nje kuphela ayikho into edlula lapha engisho ukuthi nemali onayo ebank it related to ukuthi imalini owawuyifaka like ngoba uma ukuthi wena uzofuna ukuphila impilo oyithandayo ngoba uthi wena nekhadi lasebank lizokudeceive ibank it does not know you ibank it does not know you that is why ibank lingakubuza igama lithi what is your account number alikubuza igama account number it what you reveal ukuthi uyini la ekhaya that's all but sifuna ungena kwi-profile yakho uthi hayi mina usicelo Dlamini bathi baningi ocelo Dlamini like asicela usinike account number yakho before baku recognize because you are nothing ebank what is important ebank account number yakho wena ungangena ebank noma yinini awuvinje ukungena ebank but account yakho bangayibhlocka noma yinini because it belongs to them wena ungaqhubeka kuze ebank they will never deny you the access but ungaqhubeka ke-ATM uyofakile ikhadi umuthanda uyobuka i-ATM ukuthi njani ushuthe eduze kwakho kulunga but your account yakho they can always cancel it engisho ukuthi ke lezi zinto lezi if we don't tell you the truth ukuthi sesizwanile senza yonke into umngane nami impela kodwa akusho ukuthi wena uyingane yami sizwana impela nawe kodwa uyona ingane yami kunezinto ezireserved for umuntu oyingane yami nento omngane nami wena ugcina lapha na ku-friendship level ngoba lezi lezi siyathola abantu that make gross mistakes because bathi sabangani ukuba umngane nami akusho ukuthi uyingane yami ukulamba kwakho akusho ukuthi yami ingane lambe lona uright ulambe ngoba you are just a friend kumina ongazange ahlele ukuthi uzodlana namhlanje olambileke ngalondlela you are a friend of mine you are not my child this is Mabudoda bawusozojama mfana umhlenje ekhele umzulo ngamancisi yeah abantu bangipersecute bathe babudokotela khona into esingayi-understand kahle kwena yini le mithi yakho ngathi usilandela amatiye lapha ama-China nje upheke uthi imbiza yeyo kanti awuseyona inyanga ake siyilungise lana imithi kababudokotela it is so sensitive in terms of concentration so sensitive and then ukuthi ingababi does not change ukuthi ingemithi asiqale phansi ukubaba kwayo akusho ukuthi imithi ebabayo ake siqale lana umuthi uma ubaba kakhulu like seriously bitter ubaba usuke nama flavours are sensitive kakhulu for your body ngalo ndlela i-pancreas with i-bile inyongo they'll work very hard to keep le mithi engenile ngoba umzimba urecorda like that as poison. Once umuntu wababa kakhulu, it's no longer helping you. It's no longer helping you. Uma ufika nje emzimbeni, ufika umzimba u-reject, u-treat as if kungena upoison. Manje wena uzoba fooled ngenxa ukuthi imbisa lo baba yababa. Bona ke manje manxa ngithola umuthi ke manje, lo muthi awusebenzi because awukwazi ukwemukela umzimba, pancreas and everything uyakhipha, ukhishwe isisinto eyisimanga because ufaka into umzimba ongayidingi. Asekuvumeni ke lokuthi imithi yethu ayingabatshiswa ngoba sifuna ukwenza i-cosmetic flavor ukuthi hayi uyababa. No, ubaba wakho guarantee ukuthi uyasebenza. Into edala ukuthi isebenza ama-chemical constitution biological properties omuthi that will make ukuthi usebenze. Yeah, that will make ukuthi usebenze. Uyazi bakithi kubhlungu ukuba umuntu omnyama eAfrika, mphinde nibe nabaholi abangabantu abamnyama eAfrika abacontrola kwezinye izizwe. Ngemthetho kufuze nina nisebenza. We as Africans, we had never colonized any country in the world. I repeat, we as Africans, we don't own a mall in any country in the world beside Africa. Awukho game Russia. Awukho game Argentina. Showing that we got no business interest kwamanye amazwe. Ibona abanama interest. Nabaholi bethu bathatha yonke imiyalelo ephuma ezitheni zalelizwe. Abantu abangafuni ukuthi sibe ne-permanent seat ku-United Nations, ibona abasi-advise ukuthi how to treat your people in your own country. That is sad. That is very sad. Kunezwe silibiza ukuthi Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. Uyazi la amazwe lawana ama-president akhona ano 6 terms, 7 terms, 5 terms. I-United Nations, America, ayikazi isho lutho. Turkmenistan upresident wakhona if the term is 5 la inikiwe. I-United Nations ayikazi sho ukuthi America ayikazi sho kodwa makwenzeka eUganda ku wrong ukuthi ubaba lona angamvumeli lo mfana osebenzela iCIA ukuthi azophatha eUganda khona ezovumela ubutabane. We don't know why lo mfana ekhuluma neAmerica. Ukhuluma ngani ngeAmerica ngezwe lakhe and hoping that people in Uganda they'll be pleased ukuzosebenza ne-double agent ye-CIA, like same thing applied in Iran. Lo mfana lona abantu bafuna ukuthi azophatha laphana usebenzela i-CIA uholelwe i-CIA ever since oba kasebenza ndawo. And angasikwazi ukuba nabantu abanjalo. Same thing applied in South Africa. In South Africa sinezinyanga ezicontrola ngemithetho yakwamanye amazwe ukuthi inyanga ufuna zisebenze kanje, inyanga ufuna ziyenza kanje, zingakwenza ukuthi. Uyazi imithi yethu abantu abenza natural medicine. Abantu nje abenza natural medicine. Iyona mithi eyenza uyazi bengakubuza ukuthi Indian tonic imalini. Yabona lama tonic lawa asetshenziswa bekwakhiwa i-passion fruit and lemonade. Iqhamuka le nto lamanzi abili aqhanyiswa yini abiliswa yini? Igxolo leliya. Le nto bayithathele egxolweni. Igxolo leliya. Abelungu bengalazi. Bahamba baye ePeru. Bafike ePeru kunesizwana abantu lesincane somsangano ekuthiwa kuthiwa yilo dodi lakhona amakhwakha. Lo dodi lwana wabatshela belungu ukuthi hayi thina mesilapha umalala veva sisebenzisa leli gxolo lele isikhona back bayisebenzisa kabelungu bathi umuthi uyayianalyze inequanine or equanine le sensitive ebabaye emzimbeni okwenza ukuthi irepel mosquito and bayithatha equanine bayifaka emanzini namhlanje bane tonic. It makes billions itonic ngolwazi abalithatha kubantu bendabuko. And same thing applied kubantu base-Africa. Same thing applied kubantu base South Africa. Imithi yethu angikhuluma inganekwane mina. Imithi yethu has gone through in vitro and in vivo test analysis. Imithi yethu, and it is known by far. They've done in vivo, they know what kwenzekana. They've done in vitro, elwaneni, they know what kwenzekana. They've done what is called apoptosis analysis, necrotizing of the cells. They know all that. They compiled that to African Journal of Natural Medicine. And thereafter they locked it. And umuntu oyinyanga njengamanje Basenokumthatha njengane a witch doctor. But there's a powerful witch doctor in Greytown. There's a powerful witch doctor in Pietermaritzburg, a witch doctor. Nakhona futhi lapho badlala ngengqondo zethu. Badlala ngengqondo zethu. A witch doctor and a traditional doctor, those are two different things. A witch doctor, I explained that before, it's a person, I repeat, a witch doctor, it is a person who can treat a patient who has been bewitched. That is a witch doctor. A natural doctor is a person who treats a patient with natural medicine. That is different. And now abelungu basenale mentality ukuthi president bethu in Africa, they must still suppress us because according to Western mentality, they still regard us as witch doctors. Nothing else. Witch doctors. But emva kwaloko bakhulume nathi ngemuva bebuze lexolo lenzani uyabatshela and after run lexolo lona lenzani base batshela. And believe you me, imithi yethu indlela esensitive ngayo, they only afforded to research only 20% yemithi esinayo. 80% abelungu abazi ukuthi le mithi yenzani. 80% abakazi ukuthi yenzani imithi. Abazi ukuthi yenzani. And thina saziyo we are taken as if we are witch doctors. Uma nje uyinyanga standing up your ground. Icabanga umuntu anakadenza ijournalism. Angena abantu abadala after 3 years eseyiqedile journalism. Kuthiwa who was once starting to be journalism today is a Sangoma, is a witch doctor. Because uthathe into odd. Uthathe into odd. Becoming a Sangoma, becoming a Nyanga, who was once doing a degree in journalism, is now a witch doctor. What a waste of career. Bakithi ake sibuke lento whereby sidayiswa uhulumeni esikuyena, sidayiswa abaholi babalapha endabuko who still find it ethically correct ukuthi sibe nemithetho engekho yase-Africa. Ingeyona yase-Africa. Yonke lemithetho abasicindezela ngayo ukuthi bhaliswane enzani ukuthi yonke umsangano yonke lonto le. Uzoyibhalisa kanjani into yomuntu angekho academic kuyona? Uyiprova kanjani lento ayishoyo iyona? Ngesikhathi wena usambuza lokho abekubuza ukuthi uma wakho waba nje ekhaya uthi na yini ubuza athi ngoba kunesalukwazi isikhala sithi lo mntwana lona ubambe kanje into zakhe ngoba uma wakhe akaze sembathise ake umbuzo ngoba nawe wena ezo inspector general waka natural medicine unenkinga eze spiritual ezidinga ukuthi wena ungabuya lapha kubhaka edamini ubhaka afika kusiza kudedela ubuye ukukhuluma into hamba uvimba abantu ngayo ngoba uthi imithi ayifuna hamba ke lapha Kingpark uthi ke hayi ke ubaba ukuthi sesithume kwena ngoba phela manje sinabantu abafundile abasuppress izinyanga ngoba singafundanga. Inyanga grossly we are illiterate, we can't spell, we can't write, and then we trusted you people because of your academic you using against us. You are secondary each system evese yayingakaze bathande even okhokho bethu. Today you are secondary that system ukuthi it must suppress us ngayo yonke indlela. This is Babu Dr. Boyces Bojabulumfana Mhlanhla Khetho Mzulu Amanqesi. Goodbye.